Hi there. So here are 7 deadly mistakes that D2C e-commerce brands do when it comes to WhatsApp conversational marketing. So if you are a D2C brand or a D2C professional, do watch this video. It will save you a ton of time and money. So if you are new here, new to my channel, then do check out my community, Alpha Marketer Network. It's a premium community for D2C e-commerce professionals. This is where copywriters, email marketers, Facebook ads experts, Google ads experts, and even D2C brand founders hang out and start discussions around how they can grow their business with the power of conversations, with the power of WhatsApp. So do check it out. The link will be there in the description. Now let's get started with today's topic. Mistake number 1, not mapping the customer journey. So if you are running an e-commerce business, then definitely there are various touch points of the customer journey, right? Number 1, what if the customer abandons the cart? What if the customer makes an order? What if the customer product has been shipped? What if the customer product has been delivered? These are all different touch points, and for each of these touch points, you should be able to send WhatsApp communication. That's how you build relationship with your customers. Many brands don't do this. They think that WhatsApp marketing means upload phone numbers and do a broadcast. That is WhatsApp marketing. No, WhatsApp marketing is all about building conversations with your potential customers. Not communicating at the various touch points of your customer journey via WhatsApp is a sin. Don't do that. Map the customer journey, create communication, and then build trust with your customers. So moving on to mistake number 2, not having conversation with your customers. See, WhatsApp is basically a messenger platform, a chat platform. It is known for having to and fro communication. So as a brand, you should ensure that you are triggering conversations with your customers. See, WhatsApp as a system, they have quality ranking. They have this green, red, and yellow ratings. So the more conversations as a brand you have with your customers, more your rating. And it's also a bad signal, right? If people are not chatting with your brand on a chat platform, which means they're not interested in your communication, that's a red signal for WhatsApp. So how do you do that? Now you might turn around and ask me that, hey, I have hundreds of customers coming in and day out. How can I have conversations with them at scale on WhatsApp? No problem. With the WhatsApp API, you can build chatbots. You can build chat journeys where people can interact with the chatbot with the help of interactive buttons, and they can get all their questions clarified and watch videos, listen to audio, a lot more stuff. The conversation can be automated to a large extent with the help of chatbots. Of course, to do that, you need an amazing WhatsApp marketing software. Currently, there are so many softwares in the market, but right now my current favorite seems to be Wati. So if you want to test drive the Wati software, do head to the description and check my affiliate link. If you use my link, automatically you get 1 month free access to the Wati software. You can test drive it and see how it goes. Let's move on to the mistake number 3, using WhatsApp to spam people. Many D2C brands have this misconception that uploading a list of phone numbers to a WhatsApp marketing software and sending promotional messages asking people to buy, that is what is WhatsApp marketing. That is not WhatsApp marketing, my friend. You need to get people's consent to send them messages. You can't just upload phone numbers. That is against the policy of WhatsApp. So make sure if you are generating leads, if you are getting customers, you have a small text message mentioning that, hey, moving forward, we will be sending you communication via WhatsApp. Get their consent and then send. Again, it is not a spamming medium. You have to have conversations as we touched upon in the previous point. So make sure you don't spam people without their consent. If people start blocking your number, you're gone. Your number gets permanently banned. So avoid that mistake. Mistake number 4, sending promotional messages to past customers without their consent. So you might be asking, hey, I'm not going to buy databases and upload them and send them broadcast. But what if I already have a list of my customers? Can I upload them to the software and then send them broadcast message? Again, that is also against the policy. whether it is a customer, whether it is a non-customer, you need to take people's permission, their consent to send them messages on WhatsApp. So avoid doing that. Don't spam your past customers also. Don't annoy them with WhatsApp message if they haven't given consent. So how do you go about it? What is the solution to this? The best way is to use your existing mediums. If you have customers' phone number, use email, use SMS, and send them an offer on email and SMS and ask them to claim that offer on WhatsApp. That way you will make people to interact with your WhatsApp number, and that becomes the consent. There is also one more option wherein you can send a broadcast message on WhatsApp, but not as a promotional message, but as a transactional message, as an information, wherein you can say, hey, we are from XYZ brand, this is the official WhatsApp number, and in case if you have any questions moving forward, you can talk to us on WhatsApp. So you are going to them with the mentality to help them out. And below you can mention that in case we have any offers, any good discounts, we will also let you know through WhatsApp. And then give them two buttons, one button to accept that, one button to opt out from the messages. Now just in case if people opt out, people select stop messages or don't send me messages, then of course opt out them from the WhatsApp list. Don't send them messages. It is better to not send people messages if they don't like it. Unnecessarily you will spoil your reputation and your quality score on WhatsApp will go down. So the people who responded positively, only for them you send the WhatsApp messages. Mistake number 5, expecting WhatsApp to bring in sales magically. Listen, WhatsApp is a communication platform. It's a messenger. It can only transport information from you to your customers. It is not responsible for your sales. You will get sales only if your offer that you are sending via these WhatsApp messages makes sense to the customer, right? If your offer is not attractive enough, if your offer is not relevant to your audience, and if you are selling something that people don't even want, then don't expect sales. WhatsApp can give you great open rates, but if the offer is not exciting, people are not going to buy. So don't blame WhatsApp for that. Moving on to mistake number 6, sending WhatsApp broadcast to people without segmenting the audience. Look, sending this one size fits all offer is not effective. If you are running a D2C e-commerce store, then you should have data of what product people purchased in the past, what products people expressed interest in purchasing. Once you have the data, segment them and make them relevant offers. I hate when I see one size fits all offers like site-wide 20% off, site-wide 12% off. Doesn't work. It is not effective. Instead, if you have the data of people who have purchased, example, a face wash, send them a broadcast with an offer about a moisturizer. That way it is relevant. People know that I am being listened to. This is a personalized offer and it makes sense for me. So make sure you segment the audience and then send broadcast messages. Lastly, let's look at mistake number 7. Not giving your customers the option to opt out from the messages. A lot of brands fear of losing their subscribers from the WhatsApp list if they give an opt-out button. So what is opt-out button? So WhatsApp made it very clear that if people don't want to receive WhatsApp messages from brands, they should be able to opt out with just one tap, one button, right? So you can create an opt-out button, which is very similar to the unsubscribe link in emails. Whenever you are sending any promotional broadcast, any offers you make sure you mention that, hey, in case you don't want to get WhatsApp messages from us, click on the opt-out button. Yes, adding that button might lead to some customers opting out and they go out of your list. That is perfectly okay. That is actually good for the health of your WhatsApp list. Think about it. What is actually better? People getting annoyed and blocking your phone number, or you give them an option to easily opt out of the list and be happy. So always better to be upfront and ask people if they don't want to receive, please opt out. That way you will save a lot of money in the first place Number two, your quality rating within WhatsApp is also going to be high. So that's all, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to take your hunger for WhatsApp marketing knowledge to the next level, if you want to implement WhatsApp marketing in your business and also grow your business, then do check out my community, Alpha Marketer Network. It's a premium community for serious D2C e-commerce folks. Everybody from e-commerce founders, copywriters, email marketers, Facebook ads experts, Google ads experts, everybody flocks in this community, and they have engaging conversations as to how they can use WhatsApp to grow each other's business. Do check it out. The link will be there in the description, and I will see you inside the community. Bye bye.